Ever wished you could fix your swamp cooler like a pro? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the basics of swamp cooler repair. First, check the water supply. Make sure it's clean and flowing correctly. Next, inspect the cooling pads. Replace them if they're worn out. Now examine the fan belt. Is it loose or cracked? Swap it out. Don't forget to clean the water pump. A clogged pump reduces efficiency. Finally, test the thermostat settings. Adjust it for optimal cooling. Need professional help? AZCoolers only has you covered. We're bonded and insured for your peace of mind.